When you frequently have to get around to different areas of a large worksheet, all the shortcuts in the world still might not be easy enough or fast enough. So Excel has a really great feature called views, and you can define different areas of the sheet, even different zoom amounts as named views, and then quickly hop from one view to another and thereby hop from one part of the worksheet to another. So let's take a look at how we do that. Let's click on the View tab, and over here, click Custom Views, and this brings up the Custom Views dialog box. My advice is before scrolling and zooming and whatnot, you should create a custom view that is the normal view of the worksheet. That is right now where it scrolled all the way to the top or scroll to the left. You can see down here we're at 100%. So click Add, and we'll give the view a name of Normal. Here you could call it Default, whatever you like. Click OK. Now go back to Custom Views. You see there it is. I'll just close that. Let's scroll down to the very bottom. And now let's go to Custom Views. Click Add, and let's call this Bottom. And some people like to even put in the zoom amount. I'll just leave that blank here. Click OK. Now let's scroll a little bit to the right and zoom in. I'll just hold the Control key down and roll the mouse wheel away from me. Or you could use the zoom slider here. So we're zoomed into the lower right corner. So click Custom Views, click Add, and let's call this Bottom Right Zoomed. Click OK. Now I'll just zoom back out. I'll use this minus sign here to zoom back out to 100%. And let's scroll to the top. Let's say we want a custom view that shows us the top of the second section, which is over here. So click Custom Views, Add, and we'll call this Top of Second Section. Click OK. Now let's say we want to zoom out on the entire first section. So scroll up. And whichever way you want, use the Control and Rolly wheel on the mouse or use this little minus button. So we zoom out so we can see the entire first section. And click Custom Views, Add, and call this Entire First Section. And I'll just press Enter instead of clicking OK. Well, now let's go and use these views. Click Custom Views, and let's say here's Normal. I'll double click Normal. So here's the worksheet as we first open it. Go back to Custom Views. Top of second section, go back to Custom Views, Entire First Section. So you see, this is a very nice, simple way of getting around a large worksheet. But wait, there's more. Excel will let us have only one print area at a time. If you create a print area and you had an old print area, Excel wipes out the old print area and gives you a new print area. Well, using custom views, we can sort of fudge it so we can have multiple print areas in the same worksheet. And this is not kind of a standard way of doing it, but I think you'll like this. Let's select these cells over here, the first names and last names and departments. Let's say Executive Finance and Graphics. Maybe we just want to print out this area. Now, before we create a custom view, let's go to our print preview. You could press Control P or click the File tab and go to Print. Now, by default, this is going to print the active sheets, but click this drop down and choose Print Selection. And you see we have just that selection. Maybe now you're getting an idea where I'm after. So just press the Escape key. Leave this area selected. And still under the View tab, create Custom Views. Click Add, and let's call this First 3 Departments. Click OK. Maybe let's scroll down here, and let's say we wanted maybe the entire second section, but maybe only up to column D, let's say. So let's take from the first person to column D and scroll down to the bottom. Okay, and let's create a custom view for that. Click up here, click Add, and we'll say Second Section through column D. Click OK. Let's do one more. Scroll up to the top, and let's say we wanted maybe just the executive department. So select with the print titles and those 4 rows, custom view, Add, and I'll call executives. Click OK. So now go to Custom Views and double-click Executives. Now you see we have that selection. Custom Views saves the selection. So now when we go to Print, either Control P or click the File tab. And we choose Print Selection. We have that view. Just press Escape. Let's go back to Custom Views. Let's choose a different one. Let's choose First 3 Departments. Double-click and we have that selection. And when we go to File, Print, and print selection, we have that. Again, I'll press escape, let's choose the third one we did. Second section through column D, double click, and we have that. Selection here, I'll press Control P. And now when we print selection, we just have that. So if you know some of the tricks here, you can squeeze out a little bit more from Excel than you might think.